The weather changes every day, but the seasons change every 3 months. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season has its own characteristics and brings different types of weather. Spring comes after winter. The days get longer and the temperature starts to rise. Trees and flowers begin to grow again. Many people enjoy spring because the weather is mild and pleasant. It often rains in spring, which helps plants and gardens grow. Summer is the hottest season of the year. The days are long and the nights are short. Many people go on vacation in summer and spend time at the beach or in the mountains. The temperature can be very high, so it is important to drink plenty of water and protect your skin from the sun. Fall, also called autumn, comes after summer. The leaves on the trees change color and fall to the ground. The temperature drops and the days get shorter. Many people think fall is the most beautiful season because of the red, orange, and yellow leaves. Winter is the coldest season. In many places it snows and the temperature drops below zero. The days are very short and the nights are long. People wear warm clothes like coats, scarves, and gloves to stay warm.